This is a digital video for David of the DBM100 booklet maker. Now what we're doing is a test run of 8.5 by 11, first of all, coated paper booklet. You push the manual start button, the machine cycles out the trimmer and then turns the whole system on. And as soon as it starts running, you can start inserting the pre-collated sets. I'm not lightning fast with this. I'm not a real super good manual worker type, but I do fairly good. But once the operator's acclimated to running the booklet maker, you can get pretty quick with this little rascal, and so just about as fast as you can zing them in there. Okay, now that completes our 8.5 by 11 test run. Now what we're going to do is we're going to switch to 11 by 17. That was about a 5 or 6 signature booklet, 24, 26 pages, 28 pages. Now we're going to a 6 signature booklet with a 10-point chrome coat cover, and you have to stop the machine. So you push the button again and it stops, and when the trimmer gets through clearing and cycling out, now we can change. So now we're going to push the 11 by 17 LD button. As you can see, everything starts to change, and in just seconds you're ready to run 11 by 17. Okay, you're ready to run 11 by 17. Can't do it much faster than that. Same thing you do again. You push the manual feed button. It activates the trimmer, clears the trimmer. And now we're going to do 11 by 17. We're going to clear the 8.5 by 11 booklet we just did. Now what we're running here is a 10-point chrome coat one side cover that's UV coated with I think 5 or 6 sheets of 60-pound offset. If you'll notice that the conveyor automatically runs longer when you go to 11 by 17 than it does when you're running 8.5 by 11. So, you know, it pretty much does everything you need to do. Okay, now that completes our booklet run. Now what we're going to do, now this booklet here only had 6 sheets of 60-pound offset and a 10-point cover. But now what we're going to do is we're going to go to a much thicker booklet with 10 signatures of 60-pound offset and a 10-point cover, which is considered a heavier, thick booklet. We shut the machine down. Now this is where a lot of people go wrong on these booklet makers. You have to adjust the fold rollers. Now you have 2 levers inside of here, one on this side and one on the non-operator side and one on the operator side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the 3rd hole from the bottom, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes down. And the further down you put it, it basically opens up the fold rollers a little bit more to allow clearance for the thicker booklet. Then you insert your transfer cartridge back in. It only goes one way, and you have to insert it carefully. Don't slam it down because you have 2 plastic gears coming together, and again, you know, you break a plastic gear, $200. So be careful putting that back together. Now we're going to go to the thicker booklet. Again, we push the run button. Again, the trimmer cycles out, clears. That does it every time. And now it's running, okay?